Attention, content creators and business owners. Ready to level up your social media game? Introducing the ultimate solution, social media management tools. Say goodbye to spending hours managing multiple platforms. Our tools simplify your social media strategy, save you time, and boost your online presence. With our powerful scheduling features, you can plan your posts in advance, ensuring a consistent and engaging presence across all platforms. Our in-depth analytics help you track your social media performance and optimize your strategy for maximum results. Know what's working and what's not. Streamline your social media efforts, enhance your online presence, and drive more traffic, leads, and revenue with our social media management tools. Ready to level up your social media game? Click the Learn More to get started today.